Good girl. Oh my gosh. I'm shaking like a leaf. Okay, dear Sister Jones, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You are assigned to labor in the Philippines, Manila.
Wow.
It is anticipated that you will serve for 18 months.
Philippines, Manila.
You should report to the Philippines Missionary Training Center on on Friday, July 5th. You will prepare to preach the gospel in the Tagalog language.
Tagalog.